Welcome once again. So first thing first, I am Asha, your cabin host. So I'll be the one taking care of your cabin with my assistant Anwar. He will meet you up later on. So deck 6, the manor, is where you need to go to muster. You don't need your life jacket, just your bracelet will be enough. There will be an announcement, then you need to go. And everything in the cabin is connected to this tablet. So from here, you can control everything of the cabin. But first thing, you will have to watch this safety video. You have already watched that video?
Half of us watched it.
Okay, so you just have to watch the video, which is replacing the traditional drill. It's mandatory. And once you finish watching the video, this will disappear. And on entertainment section here, you will have a selection of movies and channels that you can watch. And on room controls here, you can control everything in the cabin. The lights, like that. You can even close the curtain from the tablet. There you go.
Look at that, fancy.
So open it, and if you swipe up here, you will see different moods. If you click on the mood, it will change the setting and the lighting, everything in the cabin.
What's your favorite mood?
If you want to see it, let's put this one, the Garidon. There's a music wave.
Okay. Wow.
You can click the hangover, it changes again.
Did you say the hangover?
Yes, it's called the hangover.
So like for tomorrow morning after.
Yes, so you know what to put in the morning.
Okay.
So here, once our vacation is done, this services option here will activate. And on services, you will see things like ice, fresh towel, or cabin clean, things that you may need. You click on it and I will get a message on my phone.
Okay.
And we will deliver whatever you need.
Awesome.
To you. So that's it. And in here, I have put a QR code. You can take a picture or scan it. You will get more information about everything, the ship and everything.
Okay.
And I have put this map for you to make things easier to roam around. And there is an indicator here. If you do not want to be disturbed, you click on red. And when you are going out in the morning or in the evening, you can click blue so that we can clean your cabin.
Okay.
So, but if it's on red, nothing gets delivered, nothing is done.
Okay.
So that's it.
Great.
If you have any questions, just let me know. And also this drink package, did you choose any specific drink package?
I did not know.
So this here, everything is first round on us.
Okay.
All here. So it's free. And even in the fridge here, you will have wine, champagne, beer, kombucha. You can have this also. It's first round on us.
Okay. Kombucha.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's it.
All right. Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So if you need anything, I'll be around. Please do not hesitate.
Okay. Thank you.